I told you guys that I would do an update video on the S&B silicone body mounts for the Ford F250, F350. Went camping, pulled the gooseneck, and absolutely amazing. I could not believe the difference. Even my wife mentioned, she's like, wow, it's not jarring anymore. The bumps are still there. It's just not jarring. It's more smooth, like when you hit the bump now. I know I said that I would give you guys the update. I just wanted to update you guys and let you know that I am 100% happy with the purchase. I went through some trouble getting it installed, but still 100% worth it. So if you are on the fence on whether or not to get these body mounts, do it. You will not regret it. Like always, if you subscribe to my channel, you know that I'm just a regular guy, and I'm always looking to do stuff myself instead of paying the companies, out the wazoo for it when parts are, I think these parts were $500, and I think I got a quote to have them installed, and it was like $2,500 or $2,200, something like that, and that's just absolutely ridiculous. I took, a couple hours out of my day to be able to get it done. If you had someone there helping you, if you're not mechanically inclined, I would probably have that. It might come in handy for you. But again, if you hit the subscribe button, you can follow all my other videos, whether it's Kubota, because I do have a Kubota tractor and an RTV, doing the updates on those, or just rebuilding cars, rebuilding whatever I feel like doing. But anyway, hopefully this update helps you guys out and helps you make the decision. If you're on the fence, I would definitely pull the trigger. It is totally worth it.